Mema so ko na yin agbeki me na we bu no.
But this matter, I'm not
Big
talk
Becky, not
matter.
Becky.
But your own children, when you don't dare abroad for a very long time, I mean, do passport for them.
Collect the
the
passport,
passport?
Diva. You know if you collect the passport back.
How much you do passport?
No, I won't. Tell them yes or no.
How much
At
you do
least you
Yes
passport?
or
still get
no?
one thing where she fit do it for you then.
Who they say make
Me not
collect
do
You
for- me not do for
understand?
now.
Yes or no?
Me
Who
no
they
do
say
for
make
now.
collect passport back? Who they say
Okay,
make collect
what
much
did
you do
you
passport?
do? What do you
Please.
do? Say it. Say
Oh,
what
guy,
you
don't do. I
did.
make all of una go sleep. Una do well.
Now so you reach. Right
Yeah.
away.
Oba you fit go down say
Nah,
obo
why?
me.
You see,
Obo
as I be
me.
work for person life, you
Obo
understand?
me.
I
I say
work.
more na go sleep. Austin, go and make peace with your wife. Nothing wrong with her. It's just because she's missing you. That's why she's drunk. She's drunk.
You know we uga blocking.
Go and make peace with her. Go and make peace with her.
Mama mo no na ya blocking me.
If
But
you
that's
leave this
still-
matter
Oh,
now,
wow.
I'll block you. I don't want you in my life again.
Which one I hold
But-
and well
But
worker? Which one I
still,
hold
just
and
see husband
worker?
and wife now. Imagine we be say deliver my.
Hello.
Oh, to go use and toss some of
Mona they look well. Marriage.
I bet Mama
now
no
just
vex.
marriage.
Mama, the reason I block her, man, he want kill me. He
Now
want kill
you
me
see
now. I
marriage.
block her.
Now you enter once. At least
What-
you don't
what
get
diva?
3 children. Where you they run they go.
What diva?
Where you they run they
Tire,
go.
What
Sir,
I just
sir.
tire. Now
What
don't
about-
be my problem.
exactly.
You know which,
For just the
Now,
dates
tell me
You know
before
which,
now.
whatever, tomorrow we will talk. I not see issue for here. I said we talk to you tomorrow. Mr.
I only-
Austin, Mr. Austin, you see one thing when you people go do it. Listen, you see, hold off it. Mr. Austin, you see one thing when I see for here, one person must sacrifice something to make this marriage to work.
You
understand? Okay, I beg. The only thing I foresee, may you just rest for this thing. We will try to reconcile this thing because I never really see your wife for this kind. This is my first time to see her
But
like
it's
this.
okay
This is my
now.
first
It's
time.
okay.
I must say
All
the
our
truth.
know your boy
Understand?
you're working at me.
I
You don't
beg.
get cry like this. It's okay.
Oh, I
It's
told
okay.
It's okay.
If you
It's
don't know,
okay.
you don't have very bad sort you. They
He
avoid
like
them.
that. He like that. I say I don't
Okay, when you're here, when you're here,
You don't get her.
Bro,
You
na
see
beg,
the
mute
thing
am,
when you dey
mute
talk. That's the thing.
no,
like-
I mean, now no na majanya. You don't like say me are be happy sha.
Ọ̀dà wọ́n wọ̀
Well,
kọ̀mẹ́tẹ̀ ni
sometimes.
ọ̀dọ́ ẹ̀ náà ní kókó olùwà ẹ̀rí kan náà yọ̀ ọ́nà dọ̀wà yẹ̀ sítà fún ìwọ yẹ̀ mú mi bá náà fún mú aṣùgbọ́n.
But Star Vicky, my ye ase on pe na ori o ebi oloko na ye ruwa o. So no be so e for so oloko nya kere oloko o for
Frustration ìwà ẹ̀fà ẹ̀wọ̀n dé wọ́n ká kókó ṣáàkẹ́ mi
I know
wọ́n tó fẹ́ tó
frustrate
fa náà
am.
ṣe
Na
é
so
wà
frustrate
rẹ̀.
Oga no come from you, I no be your wife we no sabi insult you.
No, one thing. What Diva I believe TikTok, he just like say now Vincent has started to see her. Of Vincent, now that period when I told you at the conference for when I go
Tell me your friend, I will tell you who you are.
Me don't believe this woman. This woman they talk a
when you
word
never
now
put money
say
for your head, put money for your body, this woman get way for the collect
Are you?
Diva, you don't understand my voice. Diva, I know your point. Hold on.
You not give her with you supposed
Diva. Your problem that this was not the arrangement that you guys have before the marriage, Abi. But you can't kill yourself now. But you have to calm down and be and pray.
But the way you are speaking, my lady, I don't have issue with you.
Diva, you are my sister.
For the
You are my
collect Ebola when they happy. You understand? But this our brother now, he can't go put money for your head. Ebola now, you not see nothing see.
Everything your plan is for you.
Okay, yes, make I tell what I tell her, okay, yes. You say make I buy, see, me I know they lie, I don't know how to lie. You tell me say make I buy ticket, me not conscient. Now I say, now young boy I go buy ticket.
You get point, man. You get point, bros.
You understand? I said it. You understand? Me on another verse.
But I hear you, bro.
Walk to.
She just apologized now. Say she took that part of young boy. She apologized now.
I beg. I know say.
Now peace will come what now. How will take consider this your wife? How will I
the verse for you?
To be
Not be
together?
how what bro.
I dey vex for you.
What I want to
why
for
you know
road?
why
I
they
dey crazy when I
you know why
dey
they
go
vex
this my
for
life
you?
for road.
You know why they vex for you, bro? Everything dey with you. What you supposed do for the first time, bro? As far as say 3 don't dey bon go, bro. Now to find money take trade all those one. Just come here, find one better or better like that. Just to use that
Ah,
work
wow.
every time. You understand?
That's why I dey live my
Now
life.
one
That's
see
why I dey
carry
live
woman,
my life.
Mona they carry
Like I
woman
just
for
want to,
Bro,
we
wetin
on
make me
the
good
country
na
go
just
na
I
dey
just
Mona
want
they
to
carry
be
woman for
among.
Mr.
there.
Best, good morning.
bro, I bet no vex.
You
God
no
don't
carry
already
for
give
there.
God don't already give
Hello,
you 3.
Mr.
Those
Best.
3 to
You
train
you put time for inside cage
Wetin
now.
man dey
You
get
give
here I
am
don't get for
corn. You
life.
no give am
You
water.
No be
suppose
about
don't package
picking.
all those ones.
You
Some
just
just
go
fine,
cook.
babe.
Because
Here,
this woman I
Wetin you want give me? Wetin you want give me for
tradition.
life wey I no get?
All those waka before, you know
Na
fit
for
waka
bongo
am
I be for
again.
here.
You
Nothing wey
now
you
when
want
you
give me
go
wey I
go
never
wake
get for
up,
myself before I
when you
know
come
you.
tire now, you no give am wetin you want.
And
The body
the
dey pepper
problem be
am.
say you can't go marry
You
this
now you
woman
no still
now.
dey
Now
use
she
that
dey
calm
pains now.
voice
She
when
dey
you go take
pain.
pull am.
The
You talk to am
the
say
problem
wife,
when I get
calm
now,
down
I
now.
can't
So
do
suppose be o.
anything. You understand? You
I no
carry
be man.
tradition
I no
put
be
for my
man
head.
wey go do woman she to
You
take do
carry
am.
Okay.
I no be
tradition
man
put
wey
for
go
my
give me
Just
to
head.
get
open
bottles.
up now.
I don't get all
Because
those
something dey
things.
happen for
Abeg,
underground.
And now have
bros,
Obega
that
eh
tradition things,
Baba.
is very
oh
dangerous, bros.
Something dey underground.
As it stands like
marriage.
this, man, she cannot do anything because of the tradition. She cannot do anything. Anything leads to mistake. She go use and affect the children, her
Let make
children.
me dey ask you.
Yes,
You
he
know this
carry
woman very
tradition
well
put for my
before you put
head.
money. Okay.
Atasi.
Did they open up for you
I
now?
say small small flower nyash go open.
But if you want to open something, open now. We are here to listen.
Una
Open
just dey
now.
talk, una dey beat around since. This woman now, you know
Na
wetin
it
e
start
dey
to
get
dey
wey for
talk.
dey collect. E get wey dey collect before e dey enjoy itself. You no too dey feel am. But you don
I
use
don't
am do
understand
marriage.
you,
When you
this
see
man. I don't
before you
understand
marry
you.
am now.
You no get where they
Before you
connect
marry
from.
am
If you
now.
look this matter, I be
Don't
like
put
say,
anything in my head.
if you look this man, the be like say waiting the even
Okay,
use Ojuju
wait
do
now.
us this.
Don't put anything in my head, okay? Please.
Douglas, don't say that
Okay,
again.
since when you
Nobody
marry
use
now,
Odudu. Nobody and everything that they
no
use
go
Odudu
juju.
they do.
But this
When
woman
you dey
now,
okay.
how you fit take dey with am when be say una two go dey together, he go dey see you as a husband, you una two go still dey happy.
Now
Because
distance, now
two go
distance. If for carry bola for where you dey.
distance
why
Bros
why I
Austin, for
come up
carry
be
woman
say
for
na
where you
because
dey,
of
the country
what
where you
they've
dey.
Madam,
please
thank
I
you.
would like her to
Don't be
stop
say
drinking and focus on her life. That is why I came here. Please, Madam
Not be you
Dave,
be the
I
husband.
want you to stop drinking. I want you to stop misbehaving and focus on your life and focus on your development. Because all of us come this Europe, we not come here come drink. If you see all those Calabar people, all those Ogoja people, when they come at those, they come the hustle. Now they see that they drunk. All of them, they see tight. They know what to make them come off for house, come anywhere when they come hustle. So who they hustle, who they hustling feed, they're not supposed to they misbehave. I beg. And Mr. Austin, me, I still beg you to accept her, tell her what you want. If she will be able to accept it and do what you want, okay, it's good. And if you still get anything when you tell they make her verse, try make you still change. But any woman when don't they drink, it they hard. That is why I beg you, may you stop drinking. Thank you all.
You see.
you said the man still dey drink too.
But at the time, Mr. Best, now man
Go
they
talk and say na
drink,
normal
now
now,
man they
mother see
smoke,
am.
now woman.
Bro, I know
Now woman, now they pet
You see
man.
me
Now
so?
woman they make man they come on her for batting.
You see me
Not
so?
be man they make woman they come on her for
God, now
batting.
God go bless you,
Most
Oga.
time now woman they inside of peace for anything to be happy.
You see me so, bros.
Mr. Austin, I
Bros,
beg.
best. I
know.
know be man where they lie, where they look to the fuck. I can't say because of people where they make on deny what I do. You understand me so? Me before she know me, yes, I be guy wey be say man, we know everything. She know everything about me.
Okay,
She
you
know
dey
my.
drink, you dey drink. Now we
Okay, madam,
carry
wait now.
you
Not they
comot for
obstruct me
battle.
again. Hold
Now
on,
we
madam.
they carry you.
You know,
hold
yes,
on,
they
Madam
go for
Vicky, you
gutter.
know inside
No,
of peace.
hold on, madam.
Mujafo.
Hold on. Not they talk like that. If I insult you now, you say I don't start again. Say I don't get money.
No, Mr. Austin, no.
Huh?
He not
Don't
real.
they talk like
Never
that?
real. No, he never real like that. We
You
not understand.
understand me
Maybe we
so?
try settle
But
this
when I they
matter.
talk to your wife, you dey say
Madam,
na
hold
true
on now.
na.
Not they
Person
talk to me like
to
that.
you
I
now,
don't be
you dey
small
say
pikin. Not they talk to me like that. If they talk
talk
of age
to me
now,
like
I ask
that.
you your age. Now maybe I will
Now
see
married
you.
woman still dey talk to
You
me.
respect
So
yourself.
everybody calm down.
Respect yourself, madam.
Married woman they talk to you, boss.
I bet, Mr. Austin.
Oga, carry
may
your
we stay
family
here.
matter
It's
go
okay.
inside. Not
Because
here, not be
And
your
now so
family
you carry
house.
your family matter, go nobody carry and come here. Eh?
It's okay.
No,
It's
thank you.
okay.
God
the
will
way
bless
Pepe
you.
insult that woman that
It's
time,
okay.
it don't make sense.
Mr.
God, Thank you, madam. God will bless you.
Here, we relate to Austin or Madam Dave in one or two ways. More try make peace here. No be everything that they carry go house, everything. As far as they don't come here, and everybody for here and family, we love each other, you know. So we fit still make peace here to make everything okay. So Austin, try and call this woman tomorrow morning, make her happy, speak with her very good, you know. You know, if you correct person with violence. If you want to correct anybody, whether na small pikin, whether na grown person, you must to be calm, you know, so that you go understand what you dey talk. So I beg, e good may all of us dey in a good time. Here no be our house.
You will write for comment section, say yeah,
so I beg.
Not well.
So please, everybody should be okay and let's
take everything as you don't money for it. Body,
you went in disrespectful. You understand? I will not accept it. Okay? I like you. Don't disrespect. Okay? Now my husband went disrespect. I don't like it. Okay? Please.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Okay.
No. It just like say this issue, as I said before.
I don't want it. You understand? We will do our lane.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You are right. Now, I'm say they talk to for comment section. You are right. You see, you see one thing, and this issue for
we
me,
just have our lane. I don't like it. Okay, please. And I delete this platform. Okay.
Only video don't know where.
Listen, if you check and balance, you go know say Austin still love this woman.
No, they love their self. Now that's Vicky when the woman they give. That's the problem.
No, Austin they remember your wife say tomorrow morning you know say you they go work. Me in the afternoon they go work. If you like, stay here. Austin still love this woman, but just that.
No, fine. Now what I tell her?
Just stop this woman.
They say I want to try to stop her for work when she starts. No, make she for no say she they go work tomorrow morning. Me in the afternoon I dey do business. Now today I start my afternoon.
Okay.
I dey go work by 2 o'clock.
Don't be as you want to stop her for drink.
But Austin they go work today.
I dey go work today. I dey start work 2 o'clock.
Your wife they go work today.
They go 6 o'clock.
She time 4 o'clock.
Jesus Christ. Time already, they don't break. Oh God. I just pray, Austin, the only thing, the only problem when I just see for here, to resolve this issue, you have to still talk to your wife, you know? You have to still talk to her, not be everything that they use violence they do. Because your wife, according to your explanation, you know, say most of all, now this platform we for know. We not really know everybody lifestyle when they really live for real life, you know, understand? But it just like say the way I see it, for this distance when it's today, I will try to find way to reunite together. I believe things will be okay. You know, understand? Everything will be okay. Everything.
Thank God, say I'm not going who I support for this husband and wife issue. Now my head there for you say settle.
They watch you now.
You will reset it, baby.
Where we did now? Where we dey go? Now we can. Now we can. We did.
Sleep. Satan don't go.
If you want go sleep, Vicky, where don't
go call your wife. Go call your wife.
Now we you don't take the work. If you work monthly work, you not go come give us money go.
Go meet your wife though.
May we dey.
Bros Austin. No say our sister not there, and I'm gonna tell her I said the truth. If you want change woman, not be by force, not be by shout. You need to follow her. Small. But if you feel say you just put money for your head now, once you want to change her, you go lose the marriage. You understand?
Okay.
You see one thing when?
So you need
to go for that matter where you talk. I dey come. But now we more talk small. You see what matter where you talk now say, not be by shot, not be by violence. Me, now man we say you don't know before. Thank God say we don't know today. They say now one day person they know. I not be man we sabi talk, but not provoke me. Me na person will be say, when I know am, I don't talk. Which advice I never give this woman? If you know say they go wrong, correct me as a woman. I don't say because of say I be man. Or may I could use oppression for you. You get the rights. Even before I never put money for head, now I let her know all those things. When I do things where you not good, even what the time where we say me I even smoke, I let her know say, madam, you don't need to do it here they do. Now you supposed to even quit me away from these things. Now me can they tell you what you want to do. What thing I never do. I don't beg, tire. I don't do everything when I do. I don't know whether you get my point. Now when you come be like say it all too much, that make you they see me like this. So
Bro,
as people will know me for TikTok, they'll tell you say this man a person will not they get talk. You know they talk. If I do your platform today as you open life, I feel you're there, you're mute. I'll be watching everybody they talk. And if I they talk now only one word, now will they talk. I don't feel maybe it will make sense. But I they pick what people they talk, till they talk. I don't be man with the shots.
Bros,
Don't
let me
worry,
tell
it's
you
okay,
something.
it's
Let me
okay.
tell you something. This woman, she's not here now.
It already
Let me just tell you
resolved.
something.
As you
Let me tell you
come down
something.
and you free go call her.
Let me tell you something. And this woman, she's not here now. As a man to man, on a normally, you know, say you get 3 children for Africa. Now you don't do Europe. What to be your mission?
I don't know why
To
Tito
date this man
they
for
just
4
use
children.
restriction
What
to
to be your
fire me.
mission? What to be your mission?
Okay, bro.
Douglas, that one don't pass now. He like the woman, that make her
Now
marry
question
her.
you ask. Now question you
They
ask.
like each other.
I go
They just
answer your question.
misunderstanding.
You know the reason why I know they hide my feelings. Now person will be say man, for real, a person will I just love. Many people don't ask me this question when you
Finish.
ask me.
And that love we want here.
I don't even look anything about her. You understand? And I just believe say she will change from those things. That's why I marry.
I like you. I just like you. Do you
You
like
understand?
me? I like
Thank you,
you.
we
I
I
did
do
like
well.
talk
you,
now.
Yes,
sister.
Allow
don't
me
Thank
worry.
talk.
you.
Thank you.
Allow
Thank
me
you.
talk.
Yes,
As
I
you want let
love
You
you.
understand?
bros best sleep
Madam
aside
Dave,
today
no
come
be
to
Where
talk
talk.
bad
you
love
dey
now.
stay? I want find
Your
you come.
husband dey here, you they say you love another man.
Best,
You dey
May your
try to
husband
settle
console her.
here.
Mona leave her. May your husband
I be
console her
married. I be
herself.
married man. No, please.
But what diva, you read the
You don't
disgrace
know
of
whether
shame.
best wife did there, now they listen for
And
what they talk.
today to tag that name for you,
I be
you are
married
from
man,
Mesa.
please.
You they make me the day shame.
Not be a sound.
Uh,
Don't
You
carry her
understand?
this
go
na
another tribe.
OJ.
You
It's
understand?
Una
abomination.
no
Because
know,
we
okay,
don't behave like
Brother,
this.
all the thing when they talk since, you no know say, you no
We
know,
don't behave like this.
Not be a
you
sound.
no
We don't carry
know.
her give another tribe.
I don't try, make this man leave me alone.
Ọkẹ́kẹ́nu bẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ́ káàdì náà, nú bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó ké mu gòjò ọ̀hún. Wọ́n Nàìjíríà wọ́n ní àwọn ọmọ
Na me don't fuck
I don't
up,
feel like
no
to see I
wahala.
don't see am.
Brother,
Now
we
the
Yeah.
visit
I don't feel
our
like to
brother
see I
there.
don't see
Visit
am.
our
Hello.
the thing
Brother,
visit our
hello.
brother.
Na me be bad person. Una never see anything.
Not be a
Never see
sound.
anything.
Yeah, we don't carry her go another tribe.
Yeah.
Na
That's
mother
not.
carry me go.
What diva? If you know say you don't read, if you know say you don't read day, may you rest. You know understand? May you calm down and sleep. Because some things when you they talk, not be waiting supposed to they come out from mouth to mouth. You know understand? You know, you see, you don't live those life.
All the
Mr.
things
Austin,
when this man
Mr. Austin,
open mouth they
hold
talk
off
about me.
hold off
They put money for your head.
Mr.
Me,
Austin,
they count you for a
Mr.
laugh.
Austin,
They count you
Mr.
for your
Austin,
husband laugh.
you
They say
as
you
a
love
Benin
her
man,
best.
hold
You
off
won't go find
Mr.
now.
Austin, you as a Benin man,
Who
You
shall
as
be
a Benin
madam?
man.
Mama,
Abi,
Best,
hold
do
off
your job. Best,
you
mama,
don't be Benin
Hello.
woman.
best,
Obviously,
mama,
Hello,
I
hold
know
off
say I don't
I
fuck
dey hear
with
you. I dey hear
style.
you.
Hold on.
Oh.
I dey hear you.
You as a
Now
Benin
I
man.
fuck
Mr.
my
I know they
style.
behave
I
like
want
that.
fuck am.
we no be
Because I
just
see
baba.
blame you well well. I see blame you. Hold
brother,
on,
to
fair.
them,
Mother, hold on. Mother, hold on.
Mr.
Manager.
You see
Best,
why I
is
did
there
this?
wetin dey
You
pay
see why,
diva for
hold on,
mind?
fair. You see why I did
No
restrict
matter what they
myself from
pain
where
for
you
mind,
did,
brother, you're not supposed to pass the
Austin.
boundary.
Austin.
All we have to work here.
You see why, hold
Okay,
on, fair. You
yes,
see
I
why,
know that. I
Mr.
know
Austin.
that. I know that.
Mama,
Mr.
I
Austin.
cannot
I
let
know
boundary.
Mr.
that.
Austin.
Oh,
Mr.
now
Austin.
you
I will pass my boundary.
Mother, hold on.
Please,
Mother,
calm
hold
down.
on, fair.
You be
You know
our
what
wife.
he's doing.
Please,
You know what
calm
they
down,
do.
please. You be our wife. Please, calm down. I use God beg you.
Okay.
Calm down. Go and
Mona
sleep.
drop her.
Please.
Mona drop
Calm
her,
down.
please. Not kind of come
Now
up
be him
again.
man you
Drop her.
marry. You be our wife.
No
They
matter she
count you
don't
for
call
my brother
dances.
laugh.
They count you for my brother-in-law for Nigeria. Please, can you come down?
Support her. Not be say later now you they say we support her. Say we will not support her.
Just imagine, somebody say me they drop her.
See,
now women
Mr.
they fuck
Austin,
each other up.
Mr. Austin,
we are not fucking each other. Fucking you up, my dear.
Now the two we they tell you, my sister. Now the two we they tell you.
Your man they here, they see you like another man. Not be saying every boyfriend and girlfriend, married woman for that. Now tell me which example you set for me. Which example, Diva? Which example are you setting for me that are not yet married? Which example you they set for me?
I bet no verse. So marriage is sweet.
Marriage is sweet. I see for your body example. You will be my mentor on this moment.
Mr. Austin, I will tell you man to man. Let me tell you something. There's something that.
I agree the also. I agree. Who's that from?
I
agree to bro. Aye, bro.
You're welcome.
I agree to you.
Yeah. Bright, so, Mr. Douglas, you're talking.
Bro, Austin. I want to tell you something now.
But Douglas, we know they hear you.
See, okay. Hello?
But my son, no verse. So,
you guys hearing me?
Let me apologize.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yes, we hear you.
No verse, I will tell you something. What you cannot finish, don't start it. Do you understand? And if you know that you can finish it, then carry on. You understand? Because put money for her head. This woman, she did danger right now, but you don't know. You understand? Any little mistake now, this woman, she have children. You know that. As Benin man, Benin have tradition. Asa have tradition. If you know that you don't need this woman, let her go and return her bride price. You understand? Because as a man, me don't know what you define. Don't let love shock you. Don't let love they shock you. Now love don't clear. Now you don't get yourself back.
You never get
let me call my bro. May I call my bro?
I have winner me a bright prize. You be worrying about you setting.
When muti
Oh, see, motor now,
Tina.
Wait.
must you come they talk of this one for year? I'm gonna go settle the matter for
Also, I like now TikTok. Also, I give me ya go here.
I don't meet and don't tell me.
Now you
they talk to a family people for phone. Maybe they want to.
My father, my old dad, now they talk to. I didn't come my dad.
Okay.
Now you they carry me on TikTok. Call your parents. Call anybody.
I bet give her tribe. We can't
just do like small picky. I don't understand. Hello.
See, mama.
What
I don't know you, but I don't get problem with you. I've been a race.
They just see woman, they want die.
Now don't get married. Now don't roll it. I say that they for sure.
We talk this one by one.
Boy.
Now you can
this one. Get one question I want to ask you. Why women they drink for Europe? Why most women?
No, for them. No.
My brother, that question. Hold on. Let a quick call for that question.
Okay.
You see, where for hold on, sister. You see this year. If you say me, who I break for this case,
hear me.
Now, Mr. Austin, I break. You know why I say now, Mr. Austin, I break. Truly speaking, everybody know my position for this TikTok, where I stand for, where I stand, and why I be say I just try to respect myself. I don't want to put the whole brain for Austin. Like those kind of things when I see today, I know they lie say for where I did. Because I believe say man not did the position to, because not be saying that today this thing start to happen. Before they go put money for what diva already they live this lifestyle. Before you can take that decision, I believe say
I never even tell the lifestyle, the marriage when he feed himself, let me give him the lifestyle. Hold on, press my head. Una wan bust my brain.
Last Diva tell us I still pay the money.
I give you the lifestyle when you want see.
Talk everything, madam. Talk everything.
Wait till you want bust my head. All this
Make
you want bust my head?
Yes.
I give you the lifestyle you see.
Wait till happen. Tell them.
You support her for marriage. I bet talk am very important.
Talk am me the year.
Talk everything.
Men no keep my brain though. I know the craze.
Talk am me the year. Which lifestyle be that one? Now you pay your bride price.
Talk everything, my sister. Talk her.
I know pay my bride price, but I get the lifestyle.
Now you do your court marriage. Talk her. Now you pay the money where we take now you pay the money where we take go church.
I know say I know girl.
What do you want to talk? Tell me.
You understand?
Talk
but Mona no bust my head. Okay?
Now passport when she give you money to go do for your children. Now passport.
I'm for passport.
Now this
guy
Mona no bust my head. Mona no bust my head.
You when you do okay, you see woman when you dey follow. You when you do okay.
Fuck up and not be like
this guy dey follow. This guy just follow the fuck. Understand? You when you do okay. No be document you dey find. No be money you dey find. Wait till you run follow this guy woman.
Brother,
see,
may God bless everybody.
You know one thing, the woman will
may God bless. May God bless. You know, marry the 5.
You see that woman so?
May God bless everybody.
When we say give me my territory,
the woman open mouth.
If I call on this night,
forget.
You will see say me we cannot dey together again, but she will say, sir. Woman.
Yes, because you they give her money. You know they give me money.
Money to train my children.
That's the difference.
You will never money to take care of your children now.
That's the difference.
No,
you don't give me money.
No,
madam.
But you never give her belly now.
Woman, when I go to several times,
now money go give me. Now money go give me before you
see my sister.
I just say so.
And I see they support her to give her money to the woman. I see they support her.
You miss none they talk.
And none they talk. Because you miss you don't give this woman 4 belly 4 times. You not born her. Talk everything.
Now fuck
up.
See, my sister. My sister.
I thank God I never sleep.
Oh yeah, talk. Okay. My sister, I say I know feel born for her now. I need to watch.
Why? You come for belly.
You never felt born.
Give
me. Why you go do marriage?
He said
you no go born for her. Why you go do marriage?
If the marriage
yes, 4 children.
4 children. Before you marry her, they don't ask you whether you go stay with her. You say
this guy no say this guy they smoke, he they drink. Is he follow up with this guy? He say why he go change? Why you want to change? Now you want to change?
Who you want pray for that?
Now this guy be the guy.
Now the man
I go blame myself.
Hold on.
You not see woman wey born one pikin for Italy.
No, madam.
Where we say that weak men? Listen. That hold on, Austin. I don't respect you, sis. Truly speaking, the way you behave, but if I see the way you talk, you never took. Your talk is a day rhyme, but your talk don't come inside of weakness. But your behavior, I don't really know whether na love. I don't really know where that love will come.
Which love?
You know that's kind of because which you send me I explain.
They say love is blind. I feel say na love.
Women wey dey here, Mona still take her easy na beg.
We not go take her easy because we condemn this kind of abuse and woman, and I condemn you. You not feel the spoil
may you clear your document. Condemn me. You for here went for Jamie.
You don't restrict.
I say when I they go Nigeria for December, bro, December 8th, I come out for Germany, they go Nigeria. I say, at the flat where I want to enter, the way we want to take fight for this, that guy, they don't figure enter inside flat too. Now say, now so the position of the B, now let's see the figure enter inside flat. Now so they go throw me for a car, and they crazy.
You can't kill your document because of woman for Italy.
This woman will say, I got money for a year. When he talks, everybody
Mona no vex.
Mr. Austin, but this woman not the fact.
When you know they around, the be like say you miss. So Bros Austin say na 4 times he don't give our sister, not be our sister Diva. I don't know which tribe it be.
It no concern you. If you not give me Bella, remove I no concern you. No concern you.
Okay. I know Boss J miss and I need to tell her.
Wait. God bless you, my sister.
You are welcome.
When you give her Bella 4 times, that woman she not agree to bond those children. You now you still go package money for your head.
You not get what they use money
to. Even this Austin, that's something they target. Austin has something they target for there because Austin can't tell me say not be something they target when it accept all those things when we because if we really say may talk the flow, a lot of things will flow this night when we go surprise. You know understand? Because I never really see where man go open in eye. For example, what if you did here since when we did when you cause it when you come meet our
country. They don't cancel the goodness.
4 times, madam. Now wow.
Married woman for that matter.
For that matter, 4 times.
The cost for market.
Mona, wait. Justin, I don't suspect you for one thing saying that something they find they go. You won't get 3 children with another woman for Nigeria. Why you get document? Why you not go settle down with that one?
I know.
You can't go carry person when get fired.
Now God will bless you.
How?
But
you never see go mother of one for Italy.
Madam, hold on now, guy. I dey come. Now you ask question, but that question you ask, I know if you go, I know to go inside that question. You know one thing, now something they cost something. That's why that thing not play. Now the woman will give me my life. Be that. You know what? You know why I say my life. Those 3 boys when I get it, now they be my life. No woman will take me away from those 3 children. Any woman will take me away from those 3 children. I will die. I don't take anybody.
You don't hear that.
I don't take anybody.
You don't hear that.
Before those children.
You not fit dey jealous, so you not fit dey jealous. You yourself you fit get your own baby.
They are my first priority in life. Anything when I get now, before I will know this woman. Now those children name there. I don't put my personal name. Any property when I get for Africa. And my children get now their name there.
I don't get that time, but I love the children.
If you think of those things, no level. When you say me, I go do see or four with all those things. In no level, my children don't do all those things.
No, now you they think about mine. I don't have.
What do you get? You will just say your property finish. Take drink of go.
Oh, see, don't do now.
Wow.
That's Atasa.
I say to
you know what's happen, I dump you.
I go fuck
I
you
dump
up
your
for this life.
See, because you can't be me because I big pass you. I big pass you now, you can't bear it. But you can't bear it. You can't fucking bear it, this man. This man, you can't bear it.
This guy, don't follow this woman.
I big pass
you.
If you don't know
last now we know who be for inside all
you know it's okay now him big pass me.
Follow this woman they talk.
No
don't
level.
meet yourself, my brother. You don't error before. Don't forget.
First of all,
I big pass you.
Mr. Austin,
now you want to take my property.
If you where men did now,
I big pass you.
Many don't go down.
I know
okay, Mama, I will
did I ask you anything about what you get? If I be man, did I ask you anything what you get?
They go work, go maintain yourself. You they go work, not go.
If you get property before I marry you, I ask you about your property. If I be man, where be see me. I know whether you get house or whether you get land.
Even though say not get no that thing not to matter. Now woman more live and always.
I don't tell you about what I get.
Bro, listen. listen, bro. Listen. If you sit down, you think about your lifestyle.
My sister, no level. That Benin house when they build, no level.
I know say very soon the picture will fall like Douglas, you hear me?
Anyway, let me not talk because I don't like to fall.
Douglas, you hear me?
My brother, love not dey this one. Love not dey.
Augustine,
no try me. No try me. Me and you no get the same level.
Go marry this girl from Germany. Single mother of one girl with the hustle, with the do well for yourself. Why not settle down with her?
Fuck up, man.
Why not settle down with her? Single mother of one.
Mr. Douglas, don't born five children.
Mr. Douglas,
Mr. Douglas,
therefore flush all your children to away. Make your heart clear.
I don't know whether you did here before when this topic come out. You see wetin we dey talk when most of men take dey fuck up for you.
Yes, now
everything that why I don't they bring this woman? Assuming wetin they claim, say this woman they see wetin they do. And you as a man, see the way we else they be, see the way it be.
But Austin fuck up a machine.
As a man, because now Austin had everything. If I give us the Bremer 90%.
I will be 90%, 100%.
This life no balance.
God bless you with document. God bless you with 3 boys when men they find.
You follow up with them.
Even though she not married for court,
I can't lie to you.
No,
I can't lie to you. This man they lie.
Too much.
Single mother way they Italy, they don't go pursue you for us because government now they pay them.
Best J.
Come on for Italy, you're the phone.
See, you see all this woman they talk,
Mama,
I do
passport
for children. Now me do passport.
Madam, leave passport. This man never talk with you.
Now 1 million to passport.
Mona wait. Mona no vex.
Nigerian passport.
Mo not to blame us to say he go for woman when get 5 children. At least na still human being.
Wow.
More reason that side. You understand? Because now love carry the guy go. The guy don't still get 3. The woman get 5. Problem not there. Mo no come be like say the woman no deserve to marry again.
He dey cost my children on my papa.
So Austin, that love when you first see the
you cost the children of my father. Yeah, I fucking don't like it.
Focus on those positions because you don't already marry this woman, both home abroad, with court and everything.
I go just date call with her and go they cost the man. The man don't do anything.
Then I say return back price, this one. Not be what they decide for you. Not because of social media they make decision. Fair calm down, relax. Think with you they talk. Whether it makes sense. Think with whether you feel move on. Now all those things you fairly think. Because you
Austin, no vessel. Anytime when you cost my children, Papa, I will cost you back. Because you don't do anything.
So you need to understand this.
He not do you fucking anything. He's very intelligent more than you.
My sister, wait.
He's fucking intelligent more than you. Leave him alone.
Not talk that one.
It's okay. He's intelligent. Why you not stay with you?
He did intelligent. Now you leave her. After how many children come go meet our brother?
Now you come out.
You go back, return bride price, you go back.
Now you can't know whether you feel continue or you will cancel the marriage. So we know if we condemn anybody. God bless you guys.
Bros, you don't still talk where you do well for the talk where you talk. Looking at this issue, I would just still give fault. Not be say the woman not deserve marriage. Why not? But as far as she won't even marriage, I should have preferred make she go for men where don't see advance, where no want children. At least you don't understand.
Yes.
Because as Austin, they don't still want picking a normal thing. Over here, let us see get 3 boys, he not get For example, if he be say he won't get
my sister, may you born for
no worry, no, that will not be your business. If I want born for
this woman not deserve marriage. He not deserve marriage. Why you say he deserve marriage? He not deserve marriage.
No. I say this woman deserve marriage, but make this woman go for older men. Like men we be say they go date their maybe early late 50s.
You see, made a born for you.
You know why? Because because you don't need children again. And all those men don't need children again. And wait to make me
enjoyment you need now. You don't need children. Enjoyment. I enjoy.
Why as Austin day now? As Austin day so now Austin still need to. As Austin day so Austin still go get away never born before. He go follow him. You understand? Bro,
Austin, bro.
If you want find get away get only one pikin. Bro, Austin, only one pikin is okay. He go born the one way you want born give you. I bet, but you go divorce first.
I say, Mama, I no get time. May divorce me, may marry.
Okay.
You see those 3 children with all the advice and the blame.
Because as they don't flush your children, many so he go out and you're there like
with all the voice and with all the quarrel and all the this thing when I don't give me season. I don't get sense.
You
won't give me children again. You see those children. I need to face them.
What you call the
I fuck up.
No be children make you the marry. No be children make you the marry this woman.
They not tell the guy say no go born for her. Not tell
him. Diva, that is a relationship where you don't need there. You know that is a.
You know
this one not the relationship. Now don't go.
My last born they asked me. He said, where is auntie? He said, where is auntie? I said, don't worry. Auntie is not here now. Why? Because she wanted to talk to auntie.
Now that one fit her. Don't be a relationship.
This is our brother. Listen, this is our brother. Now he just they make up for our president. He not mean no more.
My brother, I don't know.
I say now the Botesi said to last. Now
this guy doesn't. If I say I do this guy,
go back. Bros, as you talk, say you no go back, so you don't remain like that. Because if you go back, if you go back, don't go far. You don't go
because this guy. If
you try and go back,
bros,
you don't go back. You go back for our back. You go see what you go use your eyes. We as a boyfriend.
No, sister, not like that.
That your boss when they don't take 4 children, so I go drop them.
Don't go to your money. You will see your brother, your sister, then they suffer for us. So
that love
He did. No money when they take money when they will give us more to feed the go.
My sister, you did say me no play role in this marriage.
Why not? I talk say I'm money to for you.
Now your money make her die.
Which one? Even though I don't want to talk about this marriage, hold on. What diva?
See, I play role pass you.
Now woman money na Europe.
Now me tell you, play role.
Austin, if this woman money join, this
why you talk like that? Say that woman money dey be pass.
I say I play role. Yes, daddy. Austin, I call your name. I play role pass you.
I fit tell una now. I
play. I dey tell you. I don't want hear what you want. I play role pass.
Drop everybody when
I fit tell them now wetin we do for the marriage. When it comes to tradition,
because they restrict me traditions.
You press the
I
will open your nyash. I will open your nyash. When it comes to tradition,
that's
you press on
tradition. Everything.
As they say,
I don't tire for your case. You know why? You know why they tire for your case. I go
tradition, brother. Traditional man. When I traditional man, we beg who na we marry. We beg go kavie when ladian.
Exactly. Is that be drunk? When you tradition marry the same woman.
If you are saying tradition when you
now just for fuck up.
You first see this woman say they open breast of grass.
The woman no drunk out boy married woman.
You hear shorting. Forget about tradition. Forget about tradition.
Now fuck cow. Now go down for marriage.
You no concern me.
Fuck cow.
You Yes.
Now so the total sweet.
You know, consign me.
I buy one. My friends buy one.
You know,
open your young
single mother of one day grand. Single mother of one day grand.
Woman don't buy when don't buy 5.
Wait, bonfire. Now you
you they talk the word. Say woman when they born 5. Woman get a level. You don't know how far. You get level. There was a level. There was a level.
Talk everything. What diva?
Okay,
level. No, she get level. She not get level. 5 cow no will come down. She get level.
Yeah, she get level. She get level. As you keep 4 cows, so now so they come up for belly for you.
Wait. What diva? No worry, your whole go get peace when I go settle this matter.
We don't tire. Before me come talk like this, you know say I don't tire.
No, una don't come for long way. At least 4 cows don't come down for your marriage. So now no feel waste our life. Now call the tell us say
stop to the drink.
Bros JP, I beg bless you, your Muslim the platform for us to
this matter for solve.
You go stop. No, you go stop that drink. I beg. Please, you know why since say I don't want to get anything like a contact to talk to her because
this man to come a platform. I say na me get level.
Be problem for me.
Na me get level.
Yeah.
Whenever you go platform, if you block me,
okay, Diva, tell us the level where you get because we don't understand. Tell us.
Okay, now. This man where they carry my name, far.
Okay.
Me say I get level now.
Tell us the level.
No, why should they talk say she get level? Because this my brother and I they publish it na level. They publish it
for belly down.
You they publish it
You know say you know film. If you know say you know film move on. All those talk where they talk.
Nah, brother, I say you be
may I explain give up English.
Madam, I said na Poco Cane.
Brother,
you say you be dog
na Poco Cane.
Tell her for English now. If you know the fear, tell her for English.
She want pay man where you come for can lick at toto. She be dog. She's
only abomination. You get it. Only back settle. Only abomination.
Any marriage will come here that time. Not concern me. I'm married now.
Okay, sister. Wanna wait.
Una know what they
Una say the piano so.
Mama,
you believe say because of this woman so when they here so because of this bro wait first because of this woman you know say my own younger sister I fight my family because of this girl because I want to marry her. Me with my sister now will not play. I bet you tomorrow morning.
You don't know me your sister.
I will call my sister. I will call my sister. I will apologize to her. You are very.
You don't know me na your sister. You don't know me na your family. You don't know me na your sister because I block my TikTok.
Okay.
I be your sister. I be your junior sister.
Yeah,
follow me.
Bros.
If you don't know. Okay, don't worry.
Bros.
Where I go on?
Bros, you wait. Bros, wait. I'll get a question when I'm ask you. No verse.
Wait, I spend money.
Wait,
money where you for carry take do better thing for don't be take go marry cotton or I eat.
Wait, you get a question when I ask this, bros, because you call her dog. Before you go do the when I don't work out, when I don't do boyfriend or girlfriend before you go pay bride price, you don't catch man. You don't see her with another man before. Hey, bros, unmute yourself.
Okay, now God will bless you for that question when you ask me. I think answer you. The very first time when I see something, it was when I don't do introduction with her. But when I know after 3 months I do introduction. After introduction, I engage her. After then, she come to me for visit. I buy a ticket for coming to me. You know, which cause problem, I will let you know. She wants to make a buy and that day was on Friday, on Saturday. She wants to make a buy and drink. I can say I no go buy you drink based on say the way she take day. I can say no. She say I don't carry and go club. You see me so as I did so, I know they drive, but I know how to drive. I never get patenting for Europe. I know they lie. I know the person where they raise body. So all my friends, they get cars, they get motor. All of them they drive for my city. I did Begamo. So now I call my friends. We get Mercedes. I say, Oga, far where you dey? Saying the house. I say, Oga, come my house. Based on say they don't say I be elderly man, the guy will pay me. Come. As he come down, this time my woman no dey fight me. Say I no buy and drink. My house when I dey the down floor. I dey after the down floor. The down floor na bar dey there, Africa bar. My woman dey fight me say I no buy and drink. Oh, I say I no go buy you drink because I no want me to drink. She say I don't carry and go club. I say you get why. So, but the way she dey talk, I can't get to invite my friend to come to my house. Why? Because we want go club that Saturday. My friend can't come. When my friends come, we just go down. My friends in there around. We can't go down, just stand in the car. We just talk. The next thing my wife talk, say, okay, right now, Oga Alpha, you know buy me drink. Oga Jeff, where you waiting you want drink? My guy laugh. Now I tell her, say, buy us drink. She can't buy some more start for us. She can't tell my guy, say, now so I don't buy and drink. Now so I don't carry and go club. Now my guy say, more enter car, more come out. We will go to Majaro, more we go enjoy. This woman say she know they go again. Now we lock up. The next day, when we sleep, wake up, this woman start to fight me. Me na person wey dey gym. I dey gym well. As she dey push me, when she dey talk, I no dey beat woman. I just feel like say, okay, for until they talk, make I come outside, go out of the house. When she don't come down, I fit come back home. As I want open my door, na so she push me. As she push me, may I get force pass am. Then she go use hand to hit my door, my glass, my door break. Then where I dey put my shoes, that one fall on top my telly. My telly get issue. I need to change my telly. I buy another telly.
Now one question I ask you, you don't come up for the question, no verse.
Okay, come again.
I says since before you go marry this woman, now before you go put money for a body, you call your marry as your own wife. You don't catch her with another man.
Okay. I never stand with another man who will lie for her head. But
okay, why you call her dog?
Okay, the reason why I call her dog because of what she dey talk. Say she won't go now. Bro, I dey come. Hold on, bro. Hold on, a question you ask. Let me answer you. Because she dey tell me severally, not be today, not because of today. She dey tell me severally, say she won't go knack. Sometimes she go tell me, say she won't go out after 12 or after 1 in the night. We dey sleep with score, bro. Sometimes when she don't dey okay, she will just come and say, I won't go out too. I say, where you dey go this night? You go say you want go knack. I say, you want go knack? No wahala. Not today she start her move. Sometimes when I go deal with my friend like this, she go say, now say I go knack. Me, I feel swear if I don't sleep with woman when I say no. I not try am. Even when we go Nigeria, I first time I enter Nigeria more than 1 week. I not carry any woman. It's just like somebody will be say, man, I think it's just be like say get as they do one. But when she dey use those words for me, I'll take her to be say maybe now just normal talk. You dey get my point too. I'll just see freestyle.
Yeah.
But today when she can't use that word for me, say, now make me take and follow her today. Today when she use that word follow me, say, she won't use money where she want a buy ticket, come see me. She won't use that take go carry my way, go come fuck her, we go come suck her pussy. Now I say, no, this one not pass it, be careful. I be Benima. I come from a traditional home. My grandfather and a native daughter. Me, I don't be ordinary person. Oh, God, we no more understand ya. Now me, you want to use that word for?
No verse.
Now me, you want kill with those things?
Best J, you dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
I go look the marriage. They even carry all those big gorilla. They try.
Madam, I said marriage when I do, not be 15 million naira marriage, you not be 20 million naira marriage.
Do you know how much is the wedding gown?
My sister, I see cake. They
you
fall
know
down
how much is the wedding gown?
Don't take the woman page. Now not for the woman page.
He did the woman page.
The
man picture, even the man picture did the woman page. You win a more they go.
Do you know how much is the wedding gown?
You know how much I spent for marriage when I do?
Brussels, if you want marriage, how much you want budget to spend?
Only Ketra, no. Do you know how much they take carry Ketra to cook?
Okay, fine. Praise if you
want marry me, I spend almost 4 million for Ketra. Ketra, when I spend almost 4 million.
The make us sweet you, that make her spend all those money.
If you see what the brother still they talk since now, you go see brother still they talk with emotion.
He love her. They call her wife. My wife.
If you diverse, you try to calm down.
Yes, brother. Because I mean, we're telling we're not taking any abomination. Who we have a zo? Why do we have abomination? Ekita What do we have Ekita? Who we have a zo? It's a brutal parola. No. No matter the destination, let your wife call you anything. You as a man, you bear it. You bear. Anyone say kita the public.
Mama.
Not be to a man like a. No, we go marriage in a no gaje. A marriage in a popori. Very big. It's not like the ketchup alone. No matter, brother. Please. No matter.
Mama.
Why don't want for the baby platform there?
What yeah, even here, ya bring me and Italy. Yeah, if that to be another land in your way.
Brother, guy, hey, the great many. Hey, Tiger, don't be a dollar lawyer. Go young. Close that chapter.
I'm not time, man. No,
no, peace in it down your Western brother.
Mama, when you want the video. When you have the video,
when no time away, every time agbo, every no keke ni menu tu we home.
The video you poster.
Brother, every no keke ni menu tu we home. Am I we sit down here ni when no work that time man. Mani ke ma home. Why do you say it in public? Why do you say that word in public? Bro, are you not a man? You are a married man. Are you not? This is not your first marriage. This is your second marriage. This is your second marriage. Are you a baby?
Point of correction.
You can marry, but you cannot marry her. You don't have children. Forget your baby mama. Wama say kugbe. Wama say kugbe.
Na do well, Rabion.
Wama say kugbe. Okay, pure me hand. Wama say kugbe.
I be no one enter the life, but the tea they touch now say make I enter. I won't talk to brothers this morning.
Oh Jesus.
I love brothers. Good evening, sir.
Hi.
Brother Austin. Good evening, sir. I beg, this your marriage, so now family issue. But this one when you carry across social media, so it don't make sense, you understand? So, but you know, say, this not verse you, sorry for that. You know, say for your woman, so this your woman when you and a day here, so now great woman. This woman, if it be say no be clear, now do that they do that drink. I bet if you know say you love this woman, you know if you find follow and find solution where this drink matter will take stop.
God bless you, mama.
Because me, I know they like to enter because my God no they agree. I be mother of 6. I did Germany here, but my God they Italy. You understand so? So I must still tell you, this woman so na great woman. May you follow and find solution of this drink. Not when, no problem when they come up, when not they go down. Too often I love yourself. New married now, so they be.
Mama,
Mr.
I
Understand the
don't
most. You
try.
never see
I
marriage. If
don't
you are newly
try
married,
my
most cars now wet.
best.
So una
I
must
don't
get
try my
issue.
best.
You go
When
see
they
try.
say, when
You
they say
understand?
they
So
see pastor,
as a man, when you say you
they
be.
see bishop,
Yeah,
they see
bros, I
candle.
bet no verse. I did comment section, I did watch na sis. Even though when you enter, where be said the woman not they told the topic, I did here. Now today now I see
Me
this
carry
platform. I
matter
never
come.
follow her
Not
before
be
because
she.
I
Now
be
me carry
there.
matter come according to the platform.
Yeah,
And me carry
brother
matter come.
Austin, I bet all of us now go and knock now. You wait. This your woman so, if you really love her, say you really love her, you go fit find out, follow and find solution of this drink when you dey complain. And to you to dey call your woman dog for public, e no good. Wetin your woman still dey talk na
Mama,
abomination. Two
why I
of
no go
una,
call am
una
dog?
don climb
When she tell me say she wan go
No,
invite
brother, no
person wey go
repeat
come
am.
fuck
Wait,
and
na
suck her
brother, abeg,
toto,
no repeat
she's
am.
a dog.
Wait, wait first.
One by one,
Wait.
please.
Brother, la, go, wait, I beg. I be no one enter. If my guy see me go first, you know what make her dey enter. But I won't enter. You understand? So, you know, say, this your woman, You and I don't go Nigeria, and if they do all those things, and you can make us understand, say, you yourself be still dey drink before you dey smoke, but you don't stop her. No be everybody they feel they stop her like that. If it be say you no be ordinary hand. If you see this girl, now great person, it just be like person where that they control. You understand? If you love this girl, so stand for her. Make you and her fist of this solution. I know say when she take the get that belly, she dey remove her.
I don't
No
try to
good.
stand though. I don't try to stand though. If you say I
Yes,
don't stand
brother,
for
wait
her,
now.
I
It
don't
just
try
be
to
like
stand
person
though.
where that they
But she dey
manipulate.
use the stand when I want stand for her. So they mock me. That's why I deviate away from it.
Brother, you know say your wife not be ordinary person. You know the woman when you marry, you know say not be ordinary person.
No, she not be ordinary person. Now so me
Okay.
still be too.
Me when they talk to you, you don't know the
If
kind
she's
person wey be. I
strong,
know they
if
quit
she's
the kind
strong,
person
Mama,
platform.
if you way they talk to me, no, as she be, look and look me, look who strong pass.
Sis, brother, you will let me talk because I'll feel goes down. No one make my gas.
Mama, wait. Bros,
What diva?
what diva? Bros, by the like it now. I don't like these things. You understand? I live now those years old, bro. Austin, I tell you one. I don't like these things. You see these things,
bro. I don't feel it.
I just cry for you, bros.
You come out for here now, bros.
Austin,
I don't like you don't talk to me
bros,
before.
Austin.
I don't hear word.
Bros, Austin, this one I'm waiting when I use me turn to enemy for. This matter.
You know that this woman don't pass it because of me.
I dare among the people when talk for this one matter. But when I see the one I actually do before I do marriage, I just stay clear. Go reach your woman, insult me, you insult you follow him. One thing, now your love. One thing, now your love. One thing, I not blame.
But I
wait, Browsty, wait. I not blame Diva. Now you, Browsty, I go blame. If you love woman, you don't love woman with your, you don't love woman, lose your sense. If your woman they go wrong, you correct her. But anybody will try and correct this woman. If he with us to settle, us to go use us, us to go use not to enemy. Us I go blame. I don't blame anybody.
Now love,
I don't blame anybody.
You know lie.
Vivian a very nice girl. I'm my friend before I haven't know I dare among the people who run the connection of this relationship before they even marry. I dare among the people. Now me pull mat. Now me trust Austin love. But later, Austin not do like guy. I can't I fuck this guy up. Complete problem. Try this place. We have that conference call. We have that conference call. I don't know na too, but I just love na too. And this is something I pour drive from the one. I want me this thing work. I don't want shame for crowd like this.
Brother, when you know
this one,
brother.
Because this right to they call me because of them.
So As a man, when you come outside, you come like, you say people they talk.
No.
Bros, mama. You see this evening, so this shit where they talk. So now, brother Austin, I bring this matter come. As matter they do something. I know they against you here because now marriage, family matter, mostly husband and wife. Now since they take it up, now make me know one exactly. You understand? So as this issue be today, so may I just say since yesterday. When you come up, when you come see say, not be your matter, the woman they talk. You supposed to go down.
You come down.
You will come down. You're not supposed to talk. Say, see, wait till the woman talk because when the woman dead, then I just say, "Basi go mother." They just a talk normal thing. Me even they type thank you. As I say, you see, say no be word when the woman they talk. You cannot help this woman. If you really love this woman, help her. Me they try to follow you. I don't feel follow you.
Mr. Austin, sister, I go stamina. Oteme na kina. Oteme Austin. Oteme Austin. Oteme me agu. Oteme agu mo veja solo. Do we kabo.
Okay.
I know we bring.
What Jack? No talk waiting.
Waiting. Give her. Calm down. Give her. Shut up. Don't keep your mouth shut. I feel I say look at person you won't marry. I feel I say look person you won't marry. Now men won't marry. And a traditional man I won't marry. Ma only talk. Ma we keep quiet for as a man. No for the come. I feel I say this thing we do so. I will warn you. I'll call you for phone. This is what over the year we to do manager. I talk to you again. Where I see you're doing for TikTok.
You
wait, calm down. Hey, calm down. Shut up.
Are you?
Shut up.
You the crazy. You the mad.
Shut up,
bros. You not supposed to, if you're not your brother, you're not supposed to climb up because you got your brother wife like that.
What Jack?
Mama,
you're not supposed to throw insult. Can't give the woman like that. You know,
I say you 100,000.
Mama,
what do you say to me?
Mama, this is my brother. I beg.
When you want to get it right for me, we try.
Not through me.
I say you 100K.
Who do
you understand? What do you say to
what you do as to do so you not go do.
Brother, we all do we traditional man.
Mommy,
I know you,
brother.
You know something.
If Papa die, I send what Jack 100,000. What Jack, when I do marriage, what you send me? You send me nothing.
You know the last person. Wow. See. You know what, bros? If you don't want to marry the girl again,
you think they reach the test smoking go?
Brother,
sister Diva, go sleep. Bros,
brother, now, bros, now my brother will pay me. Come down,
brother. You know it's happening.
This man is a pain. I don't block her.
I will tell you who I be.
Mama,
Sister Diva, open your husband. Make you and your husband.
Or tell me
na be mother of 6 children. You understand? Make una rest.
Austin.
Okay,
where we am with a marriage maybe.
No, love is blind though.
Not be love with blind. You still love the woman. You still love the woman. Just that you don't know how to address it. Hello? You still love the woman. You don't know how to handle family. You don't know how to address issue.
Listen.
You love this woman. You don't know how to handle family. You don't know how to handle issue. You see this your woman when you
don't know
okay, no, you know sabi. You know sabi handle marriage.
See me, my sister.
Okay, that's brother. Wake are you when you can want your name?
No,
You're shame the cash me. Wallahi. If I believe this that if you happen, I shame for myself.
Get out.
Wait now.
Bros, wait first. What diva? I beg. I take God beg you. You know, say no matter it is, now two people they quarrel. Now two people they face this set.
I leave doctor.
See, bros, look.
Bros, you wait.
Wait, who did there? Who did there?
Wait, my brother.
Now your husband.
Wait, who did there?
Now your husband.
Wait till my brother.
Wait, ma stand up. Una de provoke me. Who they?
Now your husband.
Yeah, marriage why you go on?
Wait, let me go. Wait now, may I go my parlor? When I want frustrate me,
they not feel frustrate with my wife.
But I won't forget about person they die liver see.
Una dey say who dey?
For say we use on that 100 million
brother,
no level.
They can't kill me. They never know anything. I'll frustrate their life. Now me. Una can't frustrate me.
May you help your wife. May you support your wife. May you follow your wife. May una find solution together. May everything be okay. Na great woman. Now this man no don't understand the kind of woman wey marry.
Oh boy, can
you great woman. Stand put. I don't follow you. Go find solution.
Okay.
Go find solution. Go marry your woman. Come outside for where he did for there. Go collect her for spiritual husband hand.
Oh, brother.
Me, I know they too. They give a vision. I don't tell you what I'll fit tell you. I don't go down. Go marry your wife where as they take they marry. Go do spiritual things for her. Make you marry as your wife.
Yes.
You know, marry and finish.
Yes. Never marry and yes, mommy. You know. Zeno,
that drink, they won't remove her for there.
Yes, go
they do that.
Yeah, they put you for your hand. They not put there out my heart. Mommy, God bless you. You don't understand. You don't understand. God bless you, mommy.
Not be small one though. They spend money for
Bros Austin, sure you still love your wife.
You go marry him, you go do and finish. You not go in the Nigeria just now. You go do and finish.
You see this marriage issue, so marriage in a school where they know they go finish. You go so
nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect.
Understanding be marriage.
No, mommy,